What's up, spicy sauce? Welcome to the shark side.
Oh.
See what I did there?
You just read my shirt.
Huh? This week we are showcasing a custom color change wrap on this Viper.
Dodge Viper.
Sting. What is it?
It's a Dodge Viper.
Just a Dodge Viper. There's no letters after. Are you sure? There's always letters after, and
SRT.
then you tell me the wrong thing, and then I look dumb.
Nope.
That's what usually
It's a Dodge
happens.
Viper, SRT Dodge Viper.
So you guys can see this Dodge Viper behind us. It's almost done. We've got about one more day of finishing on it. A really complex car to wrap because the hood is massive. There's no fenders on it because the hood goes all the way over. It's got all these crazy vents.
It's fun.
The rooftop, you have to also hide a little sneaky fuse seam in there. It's larger than the film. The mirrors suck. There's a lot of things on
The
this
mirrors
car
are
that are
honestly
hard.
the same exact mirrors as a Challenger mirror. It's
Hence why they
just
suck.
squished.
Challenger and Charger mirrors, not a fan.
No, they're pretty difficult.
Fortunately, it's the car that we do the most. Literally, there's all Dodge cars in our shop right now.
Yeah, all Mopars.
All Mopars.
Yep.
So anyways, this car is actually white behind us. We wrapped it in KPMF Ice Red Titanium, which is one of my favorite finishes.
Nice.
Kind of has like the look of like a satin chrome. We also have a gloss black stripe kit, a double stripe bumper to bumper. And
it's all clear broad.
oh yeah. And then when he dropped the car off, he added on satin clear brow. So we did a full frontal clear brow, the entire front half of the car. After we wrapped it, we did a clear broad kit on top of that.
Oh yeah.
Tough things.
It was pretty tough.
Yeah.
It was fun though. It's a fun car.
So check it out. We hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
watching. We hope you enjoyed our Dodge Viper things and stuff. The Dodge Vipey wrap. If you guys want to go above and beyond
That way.
with a color change this way, or a PPF, or a custom design. I mean, we do lots of things. We can go any which way in the universe.
Okay.
Hit us up at wrapseshaz@gmail.com. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys dig the Wrapsesh vibe. Make sure to follow our new Instagram page, wrapsesh.az, somewhere here, there, and we will see you guys next week.
And here come the Globo Gym Purple Cobras led by White Goodman. All business.